Megia. Okay. Add and abuse in 10 minutes. Okay. I upgraded somewhat our speed. This guy caught me. Okay. He's opening it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got a cosmic from this idiot. Okay, anyways, I don't need that. I have more data than rock standard. Okay, we have 2.4 trillion. Did we do anything? Nah. Nah. Okay. Just. Guys, is everything happening in 1 minute? No. It's actually 1 hour. Okay. What next event in 1 hour 9 minutes? Guys, now admin abuse. No problem. Let's go offline. Guys, I'll just a legendary? What's this? I don't need this. Trash. This red lucky block also worst only. I only get the worst brain rots in the world from that. Okay, let's see what luck he has. Any eternals? What? What? Did I pass most of them? Okay. Anyways. Guys, I got a special. Ooh, what the speed, guys. Did you saw that? My speed is not enough. Guys, probably I will activate something. That will help me, guys. Okay, index. Did I unlock any? Gold. Of course, I collected 0 gold beetroots. Except this guy. Right? Yeah. Guys, we need to go there. Guys, we are gonna go in high speed that I can. Why did Diver catch me this time? Okay, anyways, I can escape from him, right? Eternal. Okay, there is something new. Ooh, finally. What should I do? Okay. I got some kind of lucky block and 2.5 mil. That's lucky good. Where I'm going? I was going in the opposite way I could go. Okay. What is this? Circus ballerina cappuccino. No, that's worst. Guys, is this miner good? Is this miner good? Index. Miner, is this miner good? Guys, it's Loki good. We should place this here. Just upgrade this a lot. Guys, 15 billion. Yeah, of course. Let's go mining, I mean. Yeah, 40%. pirate got me. Guys, it's not looking good. Oh, I failed. Shit. Shit. Okay, I got to the pirate. Guys. Okay. Oh, a special. Guys. Why? I don't understand. Why did he do this to me? Let's upgrade our base. I didn't upgrade the set. Okay. Guys, I looked at you didn't upgrade my base. Guys, what's this? Demonic. Let's place everything, guys. Loki. Even it's bad. Please. Failed. What? No. Why did I fail? What? I don't understand. How did I beat him? Yeah. Suspected as cheating. That's what I told. I don't know what is that brain rot, so I collected it. Guys, I wrongly got into the base. Let's keep this in my base. For nothing. Nothing makes more than. Holy. Look. I love you wanna upgrade this. Guys, that was Dookie. Infinity has started. I don't know what that means. What does the infinity mean? Guys, I don't need this. It's so buggy even so. Why did I got lost to him? I don't need that Sahu. Okay. Loki. I cannot get killed in this. Why is lifeguard catching me? What did happen to the lifeguard? Did he become powerful? I don't need this, Loki. Brain rots. This brain rot. What? Everything. I only have 12. What? No, run the event for some more seconds. It's not good. Pirate got me. Something happening, guys. Sometimes diver, pirate or something is happening. Guys, I need some speed. Some kind of speed. Do I I have enough? I think I can only do one. Yeah, one. See? Will the speed be enough? Guys, 19, 18, 17. Why did the timer caught me? I don't understand. Why is this game so buggy? I don't need your cosmics. Timer, go faster. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and pirate got me. I don't understand, guys. Sometimes I caught by somebody, and why I don't know. I go in the speed of light. What? Guys, I can't beat him. Up. Who is called Glitchy? Okay, is he called Glitchy? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, I need some speed and I kind of want some speed. New lucky blocks added. Yeah. Oh no. These lucky blocks are the admin abuse. Yeah, I can look in only get this. What? Why are you slow? Check me, guys. I don't need this. Dino bite even. Please. Now failed. I don't need this. I don't need whatever you do. I don't need. You are a freaking poop. Guys, I don't get anything. I want something good. Loki. Guys, I can't get anything. Why I can't get anything? I don't get it. Why I can't get anything at all. Guys, again I failed. What the werewolf? Anyways, I don't get it. I don't need this rhino toaster right now. Guys, has started. I don't need that. Oh, finally. Oh, guys, is this possible? Then why told? I don't need that. I'll die for that. I don't need that. Please, Dino. Please, Dino. Please. Oh. Okay, we are playing this. Oh. Guys, always buggy this is. Why is this so buggy? Guys, Dino is so buggy. Please, Dino. Yeah. Oh, guys, why? Why not? Guys, I don't need this. I don't need this granny at all. She's so slow. You need to rest, Granny. Rest. Why? Why would I do that? What did happen to me? What did you guys see? What did happen to me? Something did happen to me, right? 1x1. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. No. Then what's this? It's 1x1x1. Guys, it's 1x1x1. Okay, let's get 1x1x1. Oh, Dino. Yeah, Dino. Guys, that's impossible. Guys, is that even possible? Everyone tell it's possible. Why I don't? Guys, am I a bad gamer? No way I'm that. Failed. I didn't get any 1x1x1. Why didn't I get any 1x1x1? I don't understand. Oh, an eternal! Eternal! Why did noob become faster? Oh, I got to 1x1x1. Okay. Admin block, what gives that? What does the admin block gives? Nothing. Exploiter 404. That's kinda bad, I thought so. Guys, let's go. He gave us some lucky blocks. So let's try it. Before this pirate is anyways gonna get me. See him. See his speed. Guys, why I don't know to walk? Guys, why I don't know to walk? Why do I fail again and again? And I go to this guy called 1x1x1 and he OP is slow. I kinda gold Salmino exploiter. Okay. I run as I can. Okay. Let's go. Let's go the faster as we can. Okay. Guys. No. This idiot will catch me. Okay. I got this again and again. Why I don't know. Okay. OP, just get something good. I don't need your bad brain rot. Why does he give me this brain rot again and again? What did happen to me? Let's do another event. Why am I walking? Yeah, like that. 6, 5. Diver event. Guys, this diver always catches me. I can't see. What? Eternal. I don't need this. I hope we can't get it. Okay. Guys, I got something. Go the faster as you can. Run faster. Oh guys, why did I get these? I don't get anything nice. Stone roulette. Guys, what? No! He's Loki so speed. Catch me, vampire. I can escape easily from you guys. But it is the worst brain rot I can get. Why? Ultimate 2 brain rots. Guys, can you give us money? Please, Loki, I don't have anything good at all. You're not giving money. Don't do anything. Just put 5x. Then they earn more. What if I rebirth? Continue cash. So, yeah. Then let's rebirth. Okay, 25, 3. 25 cheap. Are you crazy right now? Let's... Don't know what happened. Boom. Oh god. Guys, I don't need this. What did happen? Someone put me a hat. Guys, let's go again. Why did I succeed? I don't want to do that. Let's blast. Kinda go with this. I don't try this yet. Oh, ink caught me. This guy's a good. This guy's a good. And he gave me something good. Guys, I got a lucky block. Guys, I got a lucky block. Totally, it's good. I got a lucky block. Let's close. Yeah, lucky block. Your base. Let's go to the shop. Actually, let's place it right here. No. Open. Hope we get something good, guys. Guys, it's good. Guys, it's looking good. Making 30 billion. Is this our costly brain dot or down here? I had a brain dot which was costly too. Guys, it's chill somewhat. This guy's better. Okay, I don't need this. Yeah. It's looking good. It's looking good. Ink got me. This guy's a nice guy. Give me the best brain rot right now. Why did he give me a dump? Kinda dump, right? I failed. 1x1. Guys, can he give a best brain rot than ink? Ink is looking good, but if he does, guys, ink is looking good. It's just 2.2 mil. It's not that good. Ugh. Ink is good, guys. Guys, what did I get? What the no? Guys, what? No, I don't need this. Why did I get that? I wanted to get the tattoo patch. Don't need this, guys. I don't need that. Squeeze. Why not even? Just 11 seconds. Guys, ink got me. Just 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Guys, that's right. Lucky. Guys, did I just do it in the last second? I thought so. Yeah, I did it. It was really cool. Guys, I always lose to this guy. Guys, why so speed? He's maxed up. He's low-key maxed up with speed and everything. He's low-key maxed up. Okay, he's low-key maxed up. Okay guys, let's do this. What he done? Nothing good. Okay, we can collect coins. More and more, more and more. We want coins. This special, I thought I should get it, but this guy every time catches me. Luck hat event is on. Okay guys, okay guys, okay guys, okay guys. Diver, 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 diver. Guys, is Loki bad? Why am I bad than him? Is it true? I can escape from this guy easy, right? I can do it, right? Just do it. I got a cosmic. Why did I get a cosmic? Guys, I don't see. Oh, okay. Yeah, succeeded. I know that. Clown, catch me up. Catch me up. Okay. Got something for me. Guys, it's Loki not good, but even though. Whoa. Oh. Finally, we got something good. Okay. Give some.
Biryani upma. Edu venum?
8:30 சாப்பிட்டுக்கலாம். Guys. Yeah. I succeeded. I got succeeded. Okay. I got something bad again and again. This clown is Loki. Guys, let's do something good about it. Guys, I don't like this. Yeah. Like that. I like that. Both fights for me. Brick blocks. I think coral blocks. Okay. Coral blocks got me, yeah. Just give me coral.
Hey, stop.
Yeah. End up getting in that. Also, okay. See, he walks. Why did I fail? Oh, devil on. Okay, devil on. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go again. Loki devil didn't caught me up. Okay. Guys, did I get my first eternal? Is that great? Is this a great eternal? I don't understand why did I get these blocks. I don't know. Guys, see this? What's its level? Guys, Loki, you should see this. See, its level very low, but it makes 100 million already. Are you crazy right now? Guys, what did I just do? Did I hack the game? Guys, this is making so much money. These are money makers for now. Guys, my game is so bugged. I broke the game. So as you guys can see, I'm leaving the game and joining it again. I low-key broke the game. I low-key broke the game, guys. Okay, let's get into it. Yeah. This is the easy I can do. What? Why did I lose it? Why did I lose that? I don't know. Guys, okay, let's see the even pause. Okay, 1x, 1x, 1. Okay, guys, let's Loki. At least 1x, 1x. I know that, guys. 1x, 1x, 1 is the best. No, actually. He always gives me the worst. Holy, 2 mil. I finally, this would be needed for index, guys. Index. It's looking good. And guys, wait. I got some new lucky block. Why did I get to 1x, 1x, 1? Okay. Guys, no, guys, no, I'm not getting. Guys, 4 million is looking good. I'll say wait. Shop. I have only 5. Okay. Buy 1. Buy 2. We bought 2 of these. Just with our collections. So where did the lucky blocks go? Oh, they appear in our bases. That's kind of good, right? Good, right? That's kind of good. Oh, my. There is some raw everything blocks too. Where I got something good from this.
Gangster futera criminalera.
Guys, did I get something again? Somewhat good? Guys? Guys? Actually, we are making good progress right here. This admin abuse is worth it. Okay, I can't escape from pirate. I don't know why I don't. Oh, okay. I died. That's what happens. Lucky bird event right now. Okay. Why did I don't? This life got me. Let's see if he has aura. Yeah. Guys, is that fuse machine lock? Is that fuse machine lock? Yes. Guys, but I don't need to fuse or something. 6x lock. Oh my god. 6x lock is crazy. 6x lock is crazy, guys. W admin abuse. What did happen? Yeah. I didn't cheat. Oh, I succeeded. Okay, guys. What? No, I lost. I'm low-key bad, guys. I don't have the freaking brain. This is bad. I don't need the brain rot. Gosh, 6x luck is going on. Guys, it's Loki gone. Ooh! At least we made it one time. Because this is gone. I got a flappy. What did happen to me? Why am I cooked? Why am I cooked? Guys? Guys? Guys, why am I cooked? I can't respawn in this game. Let's live and rejoin again. That elephanto frigo is looking good. That elephanto frigo is looking good, guys. It's good. Crime. Oh god, these many events would be good. Yo, this is the yes event we can do. But guys, why he puts flashlights? Oh god, that was impossible. Oh. Guys, that's not good. Okay, Dinobite got us. Guys, first time Dinobite. Give me the best I can get. I worked hard for it, you just give me 950k. Guys, let's go. I got succeeded. In what? Oh, these are lucky bad. I don't like these. I don't want these. Mining is boring, guys. No, it will tell that. Yeah. I know. Okay, this dino game is looking good, right? I can pause this, right? If it didn't bug at all. Holy, he got me. Holy, he got me. And 3 million is looking good. right? Let's rebirth. Okay, we have more money. Okay. Now we can get the cyborg even though. Okay guys, we got this even though. Oh, this is good. This is good. Please, yeah, finally get this like a block, guys. Guys, this time I'm going to look. Yeah, look. Can do this. Look. Okay. Look, is getting it. Look, is getting it again. Look, got it. And he told something that I don't understand.
Hey, give it back.
Again, look. No, failed. What did happen? Oh, I don't know why did they replace it. Oh, good. I jumped right into the hole. Guys, this will, yeah. Oh, what a good thing this happened. You can get alien brain rots. This is alien good. Oh, what the? Why? How did he get that speed? I don't know still. Guys, we need some trillions. These are not enough. You are making Loki bad. Guys, I didn't notice the special in my base. Someone. Okay, let's zoom in. Guys. Yeah, see this? This is my best. It's making 143 bucks. Okay, not bad. What climbed? Fine. Let's do the final round. You free mix. Okay. Shop. 39. I can do nothing. No mix of everything. What? Nothing happened. No, calm down. Okay, I don't need you to calm down. Dino. What? Oh, Dino, only Dino. Yeah, I like Dino game, even though it's frustrating. 10. Guys, just 10. Infinity. What? Oh, Dynamite. Hey, guys. He's gonna give Loki good. That's 6-7. Why did he give me the bad one? Dino. Why did I get them? What is that? Brain rot. That was enormous brain rot. No. Oh, boy, bad. Loki. Yeah, I knew that. Something bulky this is. Okay. Coal blocks. No, I didn't fire it correct. Okay. Look blocks. Look blocks. Look blocks. Yeah.
Even close. Let's go.
He told let's go.
Hey, stop right there.
Mine now? Guys, I don't like Loki mine. See, I don't know what is that brain rot even. Okay, I don't need that. Lucky block, guys. I don't need that. Anything you do, guys. Check your purple patapim yourself, okay? I make some. What? How do I have these blocks in my inventory without me knowing? Is he giving me blocks? What's this? 24 mil? Yeah, guys. It's freaking bad. Okay, guys. Guys, I thought so. This event is gonna finish in some minutes. So, finish in some minutes. Guys, I didn't like this game. Boom, I die. I didn't like this. Mine is Loki bad. Guys, I've never saw this people. Don't need your brain rods. They are dumb. Please, give me some good. No! Oh, Dino. Dino is good. 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 Dino bite, catch me! Yeah! Get it! Get something good. You have 9,000 X luck. I hope so. What? In your chroma dealer? Guys, he gave up some lucky blocks already. Open them. Oh! Do I? No, I don't. It's this right here. No, I'm not talking about it. I want every blocks to come here. All the blocks. All the blocks. All the blocks. Go down. No, they're looking bad. Okay, guys. Okay, let's open this. If we get bad, we replace it.
Matteo!
Pick up, I don't need that. Open. Okay. We are getting some good stuff. Pick up, I don't need that. Okay. Pick up. My lost block. I thought so. In my inventory there is anything? Three or something. Guys, I got some law everything blocks. I'm excited to open them. I don't need this. I got some law everything blocks. Holy, it's matched. Yeah. Sell all. They are sell all. Ooh. Guys, actually I have these lucky blocks that he gave. I forgot. And lucky blocks console, which is actually good. Don't need it. Not everything is making millions, guys. And this, opening this.
Glon.
Okay, let's pick up. Place this. Open. Holy.
Udin din 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 dun. Madin din din dun.
Open. Guys, Loki, hit the like button and subscribe button so we can get some infinity X luck. How many subscribers that my X luck I will get? Guys, did you everyone subscribe to my channel? Did everyone do it? Did they do? I thought so. Someone did it. How did I get a good brain rot? Am I lucky? Am I lucky too much? Guys, if you subscribe to me, I will give these ink brain rots to someone to make you guys believe I'm carrying this and giving to some person. Like this person. Let's give him. Yes. Take this. And this goes to another person. No, he's so rich. Won't accept this. Okay, give this person. Yes. Guys. I'm happy when he's happy. Okay. Guys, we are low-key good. Okay, let's end this video. No. There's some. No, but they're not good. See, everything is bad. That will tell that. Yeah. And a private event. Don't understand. Oh, okay, 13. Of coins, okay. To understand what it tells about. Guys, this is the last video. Okay. Let's get what we get. This is gonna be a good brain rot, right? Well, kinda bad. Yeah. Okay, let's Loki in the stream. It was 1 hour. Guys, yeah.